Hi, this is Alyssa and Isaac Apel, and we're here today to review a new game by ThinkFun called Codemaster. In fact, it's not even in the stores yet. It will be featured in Target. You'll be able to buy it there. And it reminds us a lot of Robot Turtles, maybe a little more extensive, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
A little harder. It's for ages 8 and up, but Isaac's 7, and he actually got this before my 9-year-old, so that was kind of interesting. So Isaac's going to talk to you today about how to play this. We'll go through first all the features of the game, what it has, and then he'll get into how to play. So with this, there is an avatar. The avatar, I'm actually going to zoom in the game board here to show you. That is the red thing that Isaac's pointing at. That's the avatar. You'll be using that on each time you play. The avatar is a starter, and that's your key guy. And then what is the gray thing called, Isaac?
This is a portal that he tries to get to.
Yeah, so the avatar has to get to the portal, and then the little blue things that you see on the game board, those little blue things, they actually stack up kind of like Legos. Those are called crystals. And they actually go on the avatar's staff. So can you show them how a crystal can go on there? And you can see it slides on there. Okay, you can take that off now. Thank you, Isaac. Okay, other things this has is it has 10 maps with 60 levels. So that's pretty cool. So the maps are there. And it's got 12 action tokens and 8 control tokens that we're not going to get into because that's a little bit more complicated, series of playing this game, and we haven't gotten there yet. And then the instructions, which instructions are over here. So that's pretty cool. You will need to go through and read that. All right, so first off, we're going to get into, I'm going to show you what it has here. So this is, we're doing level 3, right? Is that level 3? And you can see there's a little guy up in the corner that has a number on him. That's where your avatar wants to start, where that number is at. And what number does it say? It says number 4. So Isaac put the avatar on number 4. Lift up the avatar again so they can see. There's number 4. So go ahead and put your avatar back down.
And why
then the portal,
you need to put at 4 is because that tells you where you need to put him.
Yeah, I already explained that. Okay. And then what number is on the portal? The portal says 0, right? Says 0 on there?
Yep.
And you can see, lift up the portal again so they can see it. 0 right there. Okay, cool. Put that back down. And then the crystals are the little blue things on the level there. And what numbers do those say? Number 1 and number 5.
Yep.
So you put in a 1 and a 5. And you can see there's like little dots that almost look like paper punches on there. And there's 1 red, 1 green, and 2 blue. So those are actually the little things that you have to put on there. The little guys that you see there. So this is the scroll, and you can see now the key thing is you can rearrange these to best suit your path through the game. So Isaac, why don't you go ahead and figure out what color codes those need to go into. So you have to use these colors, but you need to switch them around so that the avatar can get those crystals and get to the portal, so that they can finish up. So Isaac's going to rearrange these to his best ability. And if you screw up, which we have screwed up, you can go back and try to figure it out again. So here's the colors that he actually went with. He did blue, green, blue, red. Now why don't you go ahead and show him how to get that avatar through there. So he has to go blue because that's what color he went through first. So there's the blue path. Collect your crystal. And then he did green. And then he did blue. Collect your next crystal. And then he did red again. And so he got back to the portal. So he got, and sometimes my kids use sound effects. So you can see he actually did use those colors. So what the game best is suited for is trying to get kids to know and understand coding and how that works. We use so much coding with things nowadays. So that's kind of what the key thing is for this game. And trying to figure out just, you know, it's more of a problem solving game. Now it is a one-player game, but my kids were taking turns doing this. So one would play level 1, one would play level 2, and so on and so forth. So you can play this, you know, with different kids, even though it's like a single-player game. And then cost-wise, I'm not sure exactly how much it's going to cost because it's not in the stores yet, and they don't have a cost even on their website yet. But I'm assuming maybe around $30. I'm not sure. It's for ages 8 and up. But Isaac's he turned 7 in May, and he got and understood the game pretty well. So I appreciate your time. Thank you, Isaac, for reviewing this with us. And I appreciate it. Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Thank you. Check out the links below this video so you can read the whole review, and I'll also put ThinkFun's link to the game as well on there. Thank you. Bye.